Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to change TikTok username, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your TikTok username, first open up your TikTok app, and after that guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon. Tap on that profile icon at the bottom right, and on this interface guys you can see the edit profile button available for us just beside the share profile or just below the following. Tap on that edit profile, and over here you can find your username option available for us. Tap on that username, and over here guys you can see your username over here. Now in order to change it, simply change it to whatever you like, your username, and after that tap on the save button available at the top right corner of the screen if it's available on TikTok, and then this kind of interface will appear. And if you tap on the confirm, then your username on TikTok will be changed like this. And with that being said guys, this is how to change your TikTok username. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.